Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Bank of America. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to enroll or register into an online banking account, you'll need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. And then on the search box, you'll need to type in bankofamerica.com, and I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So once you type in the link, you'll be taken to this kind of interface, and on this interface, click on login in the top right corner. Once you click on login, a pop-up will appear right in center. If you want to get the app, then click on get app. If you don't want to use the app and continue from the web browser, then click on continue to login, which is right at the bottom. You'll be taken to the login interface where you'll need to enter in your user ID and a password in order to log in into your account. If you already have an account, then do the same procedure as already mentioned. Enter in your user ID and password in order to log in. If you don't have an account, then click on enroll in the bottom right corner. In order to enroll into an online banking account, first of all, you need to make sure that you already have a pre-existing bank account. Only then you'll be able to create an account. As you can see that first of all, you need to enter in your card or an account number, and after that you'll need to enter in your social security number. If you don't have the social security number, then click on I don't have a social security number. After you're done providing your bank details, then click on continue in the bottom left corner. Once you provide this information, on the other page you'll be asked to enter in your contact information. Now make sure to enter in your contact information that is associated with your bank account, and after that you'll be asked to verify it. After you're done verifying your account, once again you'll be asked to enter in a lot of details about your bank account or your personal information. Once you've done that, after that you'll be asked to create a login information. Basically, you'll be asked to create a username and a password. And after that, you've successfully enrolled or registered into an online banking account of Bank of America. So in this way, you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Bank of America. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.